You know that moment when your dog is fast asleep, and suddenly the room is filled with the sound of a tiny chainsaw revving up? Yep, your pup is snoring like a pro. Picture this. They're sprawled on their back, tongue flopped out, snorting away without a care. But why do dogs snore so loudly? Turns out, it's usually because the air has to wiggle its way through their squishy little faces, especially in breeds with short noses. Sometimes it's just the way they're sleeping. So next time you hear that snore, just know your dog is dreaming big and breathing easy.